Imagine this, you're in the thick of content creation, burning the midnight oil to get your latest video out. You've just wrapped up a marathon filming session and spent hours meticulously editing your YouTube video, carefully piecing together each shot and sound. But then, disaster strikes. You spot a glaring mistake in the narration, a flubbed line that throws off the entire flow. In the past, fixing it meant facing a daunting task, re-recording the entire section, which could take hours, painstakingly matching the room tone to avoid jarring transitions, and desperately hoping your energy and delivery matched the original recording. A real hassle, a time-consuming nightmare. But now, the game has changed. With the advent of AI voice cloning, a revolutionary technology, you can simply type the corrected sentence into a text box, and with a click, have it spoken in your own voice. No microphone, no recording booth, no stress needed. This incredible technology creates a highly realistic digital replica of your unique voice, capturing its nuances and characteristics, ready to seamlessly narrate anything you type with astonishing accuracy. For content creators, this is nothing short of a game changer, a paradigm shift in how we approach audio production. You can fix errors in mere seconds, saving valuable time and energy, produce a significantly greater volume of high-quality content, expanding your reach and impact, and freely experiment with new and innovative content formats, all without the added burden of extensive audio work. The barrier to achieving professional-grade audio quality is now lower than ever before, making it easier for everyone to create polished and engaging content. And the best part? These powerful tools are becoming increasingly accessible to creators of all backgrounds and skill levels. In this comprehensive guide, I'll walk you through the process of cloning your voice step by step, and demonstrate how to leverage it to dramatically boost your content creation productivity. We'll break down the entire process into manageable steps, ensuring that you can follow along with ease, starting from the initial account creation and setup, all the way through to thoroughly testing your newly created AI voice clone. By the time you reach the end of this guide, you'll possess the knowledge and skills necessary to confidently create your own voice clone and unlock a whole new realm of creative possibilities, empowering you to bring your visions to life with unprecedented ease and efficiency. So without further ado, let's dive right in and embark on this exciting journey together. Voice cloning is AI-powered mimicry analyzing your speech to create a digital model that can say anything in your voice. Early text-to-speech sounded robotic, but deep learning changed everything. ElevenLabs leads the way, making high-fidelity voice cloning accessible and user-friendly. Their platform bridges complex AI with practical tools anyone can use. The quality is impressive, natural, expressive, and emotionally nuanced voices. You don't need technical expertise. The web interface is simple, and there's a generous free tier to get started. ElevenLabs democratizes voice cloning, letting creators of all levels experiment and innovate. Whether you want a single voice for personal projects or a library for your business, ElevenLabs has you covered. Their focus on both power and simplicity makes them the go-to choice for content creators. This is the future of synthetic media, accessible, powerful, and ready for you. A digital voice clone. It's more than just a novelty. It's a powerful tool that's rapidly changing the landscape of content creation and communication. It can transform your workflow, streamlining processes and unlocking new levels of efficiency. Imagine the possibilities: automating repetitive tasks, creating content faster, and freeing up valuable time to focus on what truly matters. For YouTubers, the benefits are immediately apparent. Fixing narration mistakes is now as easy as typing a correction and generating new audio. No re-recording required. This alone can save hours of studio time and reduce the frustration of chasing audio perfection. You can update old videos, breathing new life into evergreen content, add disclaimers or refresh content to keep it relevant and engaging for your audience, all without the hassle of re-recording entire segments. And you can do it all without meticulously matching your original recording setup, ensuring consistency across your entire video library. For audiobook narrators and podcasters, the advantages are equally compelling. Voice cloning slashes production time and makes edits effortless. Correcting mispronounced words or adding last-minute thoughts becomes a breeze. It also opens new creative doors, expanding your reach and impact in ways you might not have thought possible. Imagine translating your content into other languages all in your own voice, connecting with audiences around the globe on a personal level. As cross-language cloning improves, the possibilities are truly limitless. Reaching a global audience becomes possible, breaking down language barriers and fostering deeper connections with viewers and listeners worldwide. Voice cloning is also a safety net, a reliable backup when life throws you curveballs. If you're sick or need vocal rest, your voice doesn't have to disappear. Your AI twin keeps your content flowing, ensuring consistent delivery and maintaining audience engagement. Ultimately, this is about leverage, amplifying your efforts and maximizing your impact. Turning a few minutes of recording into endless audio possibilities, multiplying your output without multiplying your workload. Free up your time for strategy, creativity, and connecting with your audience. The aspects of content creation that truly fuel growth and build community. Voice cloning isn't just a shortcut, it's a strategic advantage. It's a tool for scaling your impact, reaching more people, and making a bigger difference in the world. Embrace it to work smarter, not harder, and unlock your full potential as a content creator. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by the incredible potential of voice cloning. Getting started is easy. Head to the ElevenLabs website and click Sign Up. Register with your email or a Google GitHub account, then verify your email to activate your dashboard. Explore the dashboard. Features like speech synthesis and VoiceLab are front and center. The free tier gives you enough characters to experiment and create your first voice clone. Before cloning your voice, try out the pre-made AI voices in the speech synthesis tool. Type some text, generate audio, and get a feel for the platform's quality. Once you're comfortable, check the subscription section for plans that fit your needs. The free plan is great for testing, but larger projects may require an upgrade. Most creators find the creator tier offers the best balance of features and cost. With your account set up, you're ready to start cloning your voice. Let's move to the VoiceLab. Now let's create your voice clone in the VoiceLab. Click VoiceLab in the dashboard, then select Instant Voice Cloning. Upload a clean audio sample, ideally 3 to 5 minutes of you speaking naturally in a quiet space. Use your best microphone, but even a smartphone works if the environment is quiet. Avoid background noise, music, or other voices. Record at a steady conversational pace. No monotone, but don't overact. Once your audio is ready, upload it, name your voice, and add a short description or tags. Confirm you have the rights to use the voice. Since it's yours, just check the box. This ethical step helps prevent misuse of the technology. The quality of your sample determines the quality of your clone. Take your time to get it right. With your sample uploaded, you're ready to generate your digital twin. Let's see how it performs. With your audio uploaded, click Create Voice and let ElevenLabs work its magic. In a minute or two, your AI voice appears in your VoiceLab library. Test it out. Select your voice in the speech synthesis tool, type a sentence, and generate audio. Listen closely. Does it sound like you? Try different sentences, questions, and longer paragraphs. Experiment with technical terms or niche vocabulary to test pronunciation. Note where your clone excels and where it needs improvement. Once satisfied, download the generated audio as an MP3. Import it into your video editor, podcast software, or any creative project. The process is seamless. Text to finished audio in seconds. This is your new productivity superpower. Use it to fix errors, create drafts, or even narrate entire projects. The possibilities are endless. Now let's compare your real voice to your AI clone. To see how far the technology has come, let's compare a real recording to the AI clone. I recorded a short paragraph in my natural style, then generated the same text with my AI voice. Listening back to back, the differences are subtle. The real voice has natural breath, pauses, and warmth. The AI version is clear, noise-free, and nearly identical in tone and pacing. For most uses, fixing lines, narrating straightforward content, the AI is nearly indistinguishable. The main difference? The AI can sound a bit too perfect, sometimes missing the emotional nuance of a human performance. Still, for 95% of creator needs, the clone is more than good enough. The technology isn't flawless, but it's a massive leap forward. Use it where it shines and keep your human touch for the moments that matter most. The future is hybrid. So, you're looking to create a voice clone that truly sounds like you? You want it to be natural, expressive, and capture the nuances of your own speech patterns? Well, you've come to the right place. The key to a great voice clone lies in the quality of the source material. Start with a great recording. This is absolutely fundamental. To achieve that pristine recording, you need to find the right environment. Use a quiet space. Minimize distractions and external sounds as much as possible. If you don't have access to a professional studio, don't worry. Closets work wonders. The clothes act as natural sound dampeners, reducing echo and reverberation. Once you've found your quiet space, it's time to tackle any lingering background noise. And eliminate background noise. Use noise reduction software or plugins to clean up your audio. Now let's talk about your delivery. Speak with your natural energy and inflection. Be yourself. Let your personality shine through in your voice. To ensure a consistent recording, it's important to maintain a steady pace and volume. But keep your pace and volume steady. Avoid sudden changes in loudness or speed, as this can make the cloning process more difficult. How much audio do you need? 3 to 5 minutes of clean, consistent audio is ideal. This provides the AI with enough data to accurately replicate your voice. Once you have your recording, you're ready to start generating audio with your clone. When generating audio, pay close attention to your text input. Punctuation is your friend. Use punctuation to guide the AI's delivery. It helps the AI understand how to pace and inflect the speech. Periods for stops, commas for pauses, question marks for inflection. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, a word might just not sound quite right. If a word sounds off, try spelling it phonetically. This can help the AI pronounce the word more accurately. Remember, while AI voices are becoming increasingly sophisticated, they still have limitations. AI voices can struggle with deep emotion or sarcasm. Therefore, it's important to choose the right tool for the job. For highly emotional content, a human recording is still best. So, how can you best utilize your voice clone? Use your clone for efficiency, narrating drafts, fixing errors, or creating informational content. The more you experiment, the better you'll become at crafting the perfect prompts. Master the art of prompting your AI voice, and you'll get the most natural results. It's crucial to understand what your AI voice does well and where it falls short. Know its strengths and limitations, and let it complement your creative process. Finding the sweet spot between AI assistance and human input is key. The right balance will supercharge your workflow. Embrace the tool, but keep your unique voice at the heart of your work. We're at a turning point. AI and human creativity are merging in powerful ways. Voice cloning isn't just a novelty, it's a new era for content creation. The barriers to high-quality audio are disappearing, letting you reach wider audiences with less effort. Use AI as a collaborator, not a replacement. Let it handle the repetitive tasks while you focus on storytelling and connection. Create your voice clone, experiment, and see how it fits into your projects. Explore other generative AI tools for writing, images, and music. The future belongs to creators who adapt and leverage technology. With tools like ElevenLabs, you can create more, experiment boldly, and build your creative empire faster. Take the first step. Clone your voice and start speaking the future into existence. The possibilities are limitless.